inside Mama's house. Go!
Okay, today, a couple days ago, I decided to take apart this Yankee 1593BB drill bit chuck. Like, went on with a bit brace shank. Here's all the fine pieces of it. Here's the collar. I believe these guys are called the jaws. Some springs that went with it, and this little guy here is what holds the jaw together with the springs, and this is the cap. See if we can see how it goes together. So you got these springs, got a little hook on the bottom, they go in the bottom of this. Get your jaw piece, and the jaw piece has a hole in the bottom. Now they did a lot of machining and stuff on these things, and it's got a little spot right there where this anchors after you push it through the bottom. Let's just get it in there. How about that? And it's going to come around and be on the other side of that little anchor piece there and sit in here. Pretty fascinating. And then when you get all three of them on, we're going to slide this in. So let me work on getting all the pieces together and getting it ready. I figure maybe the easiest way to do it is to put the springs in, and then maybe we can slide this on here. We'll see. And notice the jaw has kind of a groove in it, and it's going to push up against, pretty unique design. It's going to push up on the inside of this collar where it's tapered and close the jaws down. So right here, if we can get this on here. It needs to slide down and go up over it. Now the whole thing's falling apart. We probably had some talented people doing this stuff. Okay, well, start again. Okay, we'll try it again. Can stick these guys in here. Then I'm going to put a piece of tape over it to make sure they stay in there. We'll try that idea. Okay, now we can flip it over. Okay, then we're going to slide these guys down, make sure the jaw gripping part's on the outside. I'm going to slide this guy up into the groove. Make sure it catches behind the catch part. Looks pretty good. Get the next one, see if that works. 2 of them on. Let's do this guy. Pretty fascinating. I'm sure this is a patented thing. Okay, so we got them all on there. But what I want to do is I'm going to put a little grease on before we proceed. Try and get a little bit inside these guys. I don't think it takes too much. Alright. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of grease in this guy. Some on the threads. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Okay, so now we got to get these guys smushed together. Okay, now we're going to start them on their journey. Okay, let's get the tape off. Okay, we got that done. Let's see if they look like they're going to line up in there. That was a little noisy. And look. Alright, well, we'll try it. Okay, and then the cap goes on. Alright. I'm going to put some grease on here. This is where all the action is. A little bit on the cap of this, end of this. Alright. Thread this guy in here. And as you thread it, it should push the jaws up. And it looks like it is all the way down. And I believe I got it in there right. I'll have to check. Okay, it took a couple times to run it all the way down to the end of the threads. And looks like it lined up perfectly. So we didn't do half bad on it. This is the Yankee 1593BB drill chuck. Let's see if it'll hold a drill bit. And it says it's rated for 1/4 inch, so here's a 1/4 inch bit. And I'll put that guy in there and tighten him up. Looks like it works pretty good with 1/4 inch. And we're going to go down to an even smaller one. I'm not sure what size this little guy is, but we're going to see if it holds on to this guy. And I think you're ready to go with your drilling. Alright, hope that was helpful. At least it was interesting. It's always fun to tear something apart and see how it works. Fix it back up. And thanks for watching.